to today's cooking. You are watching a courtesy cooking of Organic Veda and the recipe is Jackcinna recipe. So today you are seeing here cumin seeds, fennel seeds and all that are being mixed for a powder, star anise, chopped ginger, finely chopped, I'm gonna mix all this. Just stir fry it until it turns to a golden brown state. Cinnamon quills. This is easily breakable. It's a perfect ingredient for your gums, weight management, and also for your digestion. Look at that. It's very easy to break. It's turmeric powder. This is really very fresh, highly saturated, and I'm adding half a tablespoon. Have to make sure that you mix all these ingredients very well so that it gives you a nice flavor. Two tomatoes. Just slice it as per your size. Saute these very well. Don't overcook the tomatoes because we want them to be fresh and juicy. This dish is really going to be a perfect dish for your weight loss as an antioxidant for your skin. And yay, you're watching this. It's a jackfruit puree. It's a well-ripened jackfruit and I've added some water into it, no sugar, and I've just, blended to become a puree over here. Don't get worried about the smell. It is perfectly gonna be fine. This is the masala powder that I have roasted on my own earlier. This is totally fine for vegans and vegetarians as well. This dish is highly healthy, very, very healthy, low in calories. 1 lemongrass, few pieces of kaffir lime leaves. I'm adding those of these ingredients to match with the flavor of jackfruit. Here we go. It's a coconut milk. I'm just adding it based on the creamy level that I would like to have. If you want it to be more creamier, you can add it more. Cinnamon powder. My God, I'm telling you, the fragrance of this cinnamon powder is awesome. It's very good. Cinnamon is perfectly fine for your digestion, for your weight management, and to just keep your gums healthy. Homemade grounded black pepper with the amount of salt that I would like to have. A bit of water to adjust the consistency of the gravy. When you cook this ingredient, it have to be in a very low flame. Now, cauliflowers, broccolis, carrots, tempeh, tomatoes, red capsicum, and yellow capsicum. All these are fried earlier, just stir-fried earlier. And not forgetting, there is a tofu inside. Mix all these ingredients very well in a low flame, because we would like have them like in a crisp and crunchy level. All these are 100% natural, organic, and it's perfectly suitable for vegan and vegetarian. There we go, Jackcinna gravy recipe is ready for the assimilation.